holding. That one word sent Bitcoin and other major cryptocurrencies plunging. Musk later clarified Tesla has not sold Bitcoin. Paul LaMonica is with us. I mean, Paul, pass the popcorn, quite frankly, over the weekend. You know, it's okay when you're one of the world's richest men to effectively play games, I think, in the crypto space. For a lot of people that are invested, and a lot of retail investors that have been pulled into the digital asset space, and as Bitcoin investors in particular, I kind of feel sorry for them.
Yeah, I agree with you, Julia. It is certainly alarming that one individual has so much sway that, as you point out, a cryptic one-word tweet sends the value of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies plunging because, people start interpreting, what did he really mean? Is Tesla getting out of Bitcoin already? And then he had to clarify and say, no, we haven't sold any of our holdings. I think that at best, what Elon Musk is doing on social media is reckless, and at worst, it's just downright irresponsible and really shady, to put it mildly. I think that investors have to be worried that Elon Musk is so powerful, and it brings up a point that I got a research report this morning that raised an interesting concern, which is that everyone, including Elon Musk, wants cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin to be a viable form of payment and not just digital gold. You can't have that when the value fluctuates 20% in any given week just because one individual is tweeting something. You can't pay for something if that value of that currency is going to go down. That's why people still use dollars, euro, and yen.
This is a great point, and that chooses a point that I alluded to on Friday, which is you have to separate the idea that this is a store of wealth, and that means holding it on the balance sheet, and Elon Musk is arguably saying that he's still doing that, versus using it as a mode of exchange. I mean, he did say in this statement that we got on Friday, we're still looking at other cryptocurrencies that use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy in transaction. And I think that's what this comes down to. It's what on earth happened here? Did Elon Musk misunderstand the energy intensity, the relative energy intensity of Bitcoin? Or was this all a big game, particularly when he's talking about using Dogecoins or people paying with Dogecoins to go to the moon?